So now you're looking at that intake that I just put into the lower vent, and on the intake attaches the BBQ Guru Party Q. And this, like I said, this is a temp controller that through a feedback system with a temp probe inside the pit will modulate and regulate the amount of air fed into the fire. So if the temperature starts to get too hot, the Party Q turns off the air. If the temperature starts to cool off, it'll add some more oxygen into the fire. Really a pretty slick system. I've taken this one a step further, which is battery controlled, and I have modified it and really put a couple of dummy batteries in it to run it on AC power. So I'm going to go ahead and get that hooked up right now. Alright, so now we have the Party Q plugged in, and I will go ahead and turn the power on. You can kind of see that power up. So it's going through its system of checks. You can see it's reading 38 degrees right now. I just brought it inside. And it is now blowing air into the pit. You see the smoke. And I have it set at 225 degrees. And the temp probe right now is reading 38. So it's going to blow pretty good. What I'm going to do is get the temp probe, which is what I have right here, up into the pit. So it starts actually reading what the temperature is inside. So we're opening up this. Should be a lot of smoke in here, as there is. I clamp the temp probe right here, close it back up, and let this thing come up to temperature. So I've had the BBQ Guru running for about 10 minutes or so. You can remember this was at 38 10 minutes ago, and we're up to about 120 degrees. So it's coming up quite nicely and putting a lot of smoke out in the process. So this white smoke is kind of what it looks like as it initially gets lit. Once the grill is up to temperature, that smoke, that white thick smoke, should thin out and turn kind of almost a blue color. You can see that more in the daytime. But at that point, once we get up to 225, we'll go ahead and get the meat cooking and probably head off to bed here and check on it in the morning.